Alright, hi guys. I'll be unboxing my second product of the day, and this is the microphones that I so badly need. I know even in my last video you must have been hearing the traffic noise, and I live right on the main road in my city. So there's always this particular honking and people shouting on the road, and it keeps coming. I don't have a great camera. I'm just recording this on my S9 Plus mobile phone, which is good, but it's obviously like any other camera, the general ones, it will not be doing the noise cancellation for me. So I've got these are the Maono AU-A03 microphone, and they are tabletop microphones. This one is a tabletop microphone. There was another option, AU-A04. I have got these for 3,650 rupees, and this is, I think so the MRP on this is 5,000 rupees, but I got it for a little less. During festive days you'll get it for even lesser than the current price. Some people are reportedly have got this at 2,500, 2,200. So if you are lucky, if it's a festive day, you'll get this for way lesser. So let's start the unboxing. Let's see how this goes. So guys, I'll be doing the unboxing now, and I'm doing this from my tripod, the ones that I unboxed in the previous video. So that's one use of it. You can do your unboxing videos this way. I don't have a particular table where I can place it, so I'm placing it on the floor for now. And yeah, so let's go ahead, so open it. Okay, I'll just show you some of the other details in this box. One is there is a cardioid polar pattern for the filter, the pop filter that will be given, and there is some more ultra low noise circuit design, 16 mm diaphragm capsule, XLR output. That's the cable which will be used inside the microphone. 2.5 meter audio cable, full metal casing. Shock mount is provided with this whole set, and okay, bomb arm, no, I think so that's a misprinting here. That should have been boom arm. That's a spelling error, which is a little turn off, but that's fine. And this is the back of the box itself. There is the whole graphical setting of what are the different components that we'll be getting in this set. And yeah, so you have the marketing information given behind it. Month and year of import is August 2020. It's priced at 5,000 rupees, as I've already mentioned, and the specifications have been given here. Maximum I think sound production is 120 decibel, and the frequency response is 30 hertz. So this is a ultra low noise transformer. So basically it should cut down the noise that you are already hearing in this video from the traffic on the road. Let's see how it goes. So I'll be just opening. Alright, so let's open and see what is there inside the box. So right off, there is the same thing as the tripod. It's a little note which says thank you for shopping, and you can connect with us through their email and their website, and you can leave a little review on Amazon. So this product sells the most on Amazon, so that's why they are giving this. This is the manual, all the little details in it, what we get, different things, and that's it. So right off, this is the pop filter which we'll be getting with it. It's very well made, extremely good quality for the amount that it is. It's very sturdy metal. This part is plastic, and you get the anti-wind foam cap along with it for the microphone again. Okay, so this is the microphone cable, XLR to 3.5 mm. Why I needed a 3.5 mm is because I needed it for my phone. Sometimes I needed to connect it with my controller. In the AU-A04 model, you get a USB connector. I think this will USB A to USB B, something like that. In the AU-A04 model, I didn't want it, so I went for the AU-A03. There is no quality difference so far as I know between both the models. Just the cables are different, and I wanted this particular cable. You want the USB cable, you can go for it. It's nothing like, it's an upgraded variant. It's just the difference in the cables. And yeah, I have heard reviews that even the AU-A04 doesn't sound that good in a review that I have heard, as in comparison to AU-A03. So I've just purchased it anyways. Wanted to go for these. This is the microphone itself, and we'll have to place it this way because the sound components will be in the front of the microphone. This is not a complete directional microphone. That's how it will also reduce the noise. You get the shock mount so that the microphone doesn't move. It's sturdily kept into place. Again, very well made, very sturdy, brilliant quality. In fact, this is the Y adapter. Basically, you can put in the microphone, like the microphone wire cable can go in this, and there can be the microphone cable can go in this, and there will be a headphone cable for this, and this can be connected in the main component from where you want both the output. It's a separator cable actually. This is the table clamp with which you will be connecting the microphone to, made of steel. This is the microphone stand, the boom clamp as it is known as, if I'm not wrong, and obviously it's made of metal. Very very well made. The quality, I'd say, sturdiness, feel of it is very good, and some silicone gel just to preserve it. Yes, that's it for the unboxing. Let's see how it performs now. Okay guys, so the setup is complete, and here it is on my desk. That's the table mount. You'll have to screw that in place. The adjuster goes below the table, and this is how you mount it. Very simple. The pop filter will be fitted into this. You can fit it according to what suits you best, and it is a very easy do it yourself kind of thing, no brainer task. So this is it. Let's test it out now. Alright guys, so this is the recording being done from the microphone itself, and I have connected it to my cell phone. It's a Samsung S9 Plus which is connected to it, and as you can see, I have tested it a bit before I started recording it for this video, and in my opinion this is exactly what I needed. There is still some traffic noise. I'm sure you will be hearing it a lot lesser in comparison to at least the earlier part of this video was. And this is with the pop filter, without the pop filter. That's how it sounds. I am approximately at half a feet distance. If I move behind, this is a feet's distance from the microphone. Without the pop filter. With the pop filter, this is how it sounds like. You don't necessarily require the pop filter unless you have a very a voice which there's a lot of, you breathe out a lot. I mean, you don't generally require the pop filter as such. It's just to drowse out the sound of the wind and the the air that comes out from your mouth when you are speaking, so that it becomes clearer, it becomes crisper. So yes, it's an added advantage to have a pop filter, of course. And yeah, this is it. I'll just do a test from the other directions. So from every direction it So from every direction it'll sound the strongest from the front, because that's where it's picking up all the sound from. I'm sure you'll be hearing this sound as well, but in comparison to how awful it used to sound without the microphone, it'll be a lot better. Now another thing most people will say is there is still sound, it's still sounding like that, but my voice will overshadow the background sound. That's basically a large part of what noise cancellation is all about. That my voice is louder and crisper in relation to what the background noise is. It's a good thing that there's somebody playing the drums outside. You know, it's like a sound test for you all, and there's traffic behind those people most probably. So that's how it sounds like. That's how it's going to sound like for me, at least for the next couple of months. Till at least I don't upgrade my microphones. This is a 3600 microphone, 3600 rupees microphone. So I think it's very much worth the value that you're getting through these. And you get from Rode, that the famous company, I think that's Australian company. You get it from Sennheiser, you get Blue Yeti. These are very famous microphones being used by many streamers and YouTubers. Obviously the quality and the way the sound is, the noise is reduced in the background will be a lot better in the more you spend, the better. Like, it's not necessarily about spending, it's about the companies who are engaged in making quality audio products since a long time. So that brand value does come into the picture. And of course this is it. This is all that I have to review for the Maono AU A03. There's another variant AU A04, as I've already told you. You can test, you can check it out as well. In my opinion, there was no, from whatever I read, whatever reviews I read, this has a louder catch to it. Like the voice is a bit louder. That's what I saw in other YouTube reviews. And I generally, in overall, I wanted that 3.5mm jack for my phone, so I went for the AU A03. Do let me know how did you find your microphone, if you have purchased it. What was your experience with it? Where did you buy it from? Any suggestions for how you would like me to keep the microphone on my computer desk? And that's it. Hope you enjoyed this review. Do like, share and subscribe my channel for future reviews, for more content related to gaming in particular and technology in general. And that's it guys. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.